Hey guys, Brett here with Kingstree Plumbing, and today I'm answering the question, should I be doing preventative maintenance, or how much preventative maintenance should I be doing? An absolute minimum, guys, you want to be doing at least once a year a thorough home inspection. So going around checking under all the sinks, toilets, making sure nothing's wobbly, making sure there are no drips, leaks, wobbles from different stuff, bathrooms. You can put preventive drain treatment down the sinks. That's just in the bathrooms. You want to be checking your hot water tank once a year, making sure there's no leaks, drips, calcium buildup, anything like that. Water softeners if you have other water filtration systems. Everything needs to be checked at least once a year. While you're down here changing your filter out every couple of months on your furnace, you're going to be having a look around, but really just take an hour, take a few minutes to go around and check once a year. You never know what you might find. And if you want a professional in, give us a call at Kingstree Plumbing. We offer a full home inspection with every call we do. This is something we do to deliver the most amount of value, to learn about your home. We take model and serial numbers of your equipment, furnaces, boilers, hot water tanks, stuff like that. So we know exactly what equipment you have. If you ever have an emergency and you call us, we already are familiar with what you have, so it makes it a lot easier for us to bring out the right parts, stuff like that. There's hazards and stuff you can avoid by having a plumber just go around and check. So that's something we offer with all of our service calls. I hope that answered your question, guys. Really, really important to do preventative maintenance, guys. It's going to save you a ton of time and money in the future. 80% of plumbing disasters can be avoided by doing routine maintenance. That's a crazy statistic. I don't know where it comes from. That's what I heard. So stay on top of it, guys. You'll save yourself a ton of time, a ton of money in the future. Hope that answered your questions. You have a fantastic day and check out some of the other videos. I'll see you on the next one.